Okay. Hello. The question will remain the same. All right. But it's up to you. Okay. So there will be no writings in order. So I will call the number wise. Okay. So contestant number 1, please stand on the mic. So the question will be, why should you win the title of Mr. KYF 2019? I repeat, why should you win the title of Mr. KYF?
Thank you so much for asking me question. It's very important for me to win the title because I'm seeing this title as a forward because I want to represent my culture, I want to express myself, I want to take my culture more in better competitions, in higher competitions, and I want to bring pride to my community. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Mr. Sagan, please come to your place. Contestant number 2, please move forward. Okay, the question remains the same, but I will repeat it so as you not get confused. Okay, here's the question once again. Why should you win the title of Mr. KYF 2019?
I should win this title because I am the best from this all. No doubt that they are talented, they have the personality, but my personality is the best from them. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Contestant number 2. Contestant number 3, please take the mic. Okay. Should I repeat the question or can you answer me? A question, Pruthunang lang mama, Chong Poma.
Chong Poma.
Okay.
Lakan Churuti, ini Haramson, aku sudah berjumpa. Nili, Haramson, aku sudah berjumpa. Churi, Lasi. Nili kemana? Kilungi. Nili, good modeling. Kacamata kantu. Lakan de. Modeling munitu kasih track hippy lahan terkena modeling no gimana berarti angkot tu lagi amaran tu jadi dupi lasil hai lagi lasil ini langsung KYF lagi parti tu lagi hai chip sahaja nili oi kimi hat atuhan sahaja langsung se ani palu pen Nili kita kasaran sampai hal konten, langsung se itu karya kita sampai angson dengan kiponji parti Nili, Niji polo karo.
Next we have contestant number 10. So, Mr. Sarin, should I repeat the question again or is it fine?
No problem.
All right.
Well, the question is why I want to win Mr. KYF. So my response is very simple. I just want to promote my Karbi community through this profession. Because I think, and as a journalist, only the media cannot promote the Karbi community into the next level. So that is why I have decided to promote my Karbi community through this profession also. So that is all.
Thank you so much. Next we have contestant number 11. A question repeat na ilang mate nang li. Chokik po din.
Ini ni yang si Mr. KYF hai pondel tangte non mithan kabistan pantang han lapen uwi mitum han ponji bichari dele kemikali ini ke hang son ka klempon dai ni lapen Nejong si KYF hai pondel ote uri ini tu manda impor ponji lapen nejong si akan tu yang dundite postame la ne kithan ponji tu manda tu yang pale dun listame body dun piji lapen mithan culture khani nilita jinhon piji kardum.
Thank you so much. Last we have contestant number 12. Should I repeat the question? Huh? Carbipen. The question अंकल जो नहीं है English में के Why should you win the title of Mr. KY 2019? हाँ लेकिन बोले थे Nang Mr. KY 2019 इधर लगे हाई नहीं कहना
Ini dong si langsung misal KYF lo dihai itu anse apa yang yang si bori ko lapen keneng si misal KYF sudah nanti meeting lah anse yang kami ko lapen bori ko keneng supporta kien lahai morning bori ko ini lahai ko anse cari ko
Okay, thank you so much. So I request all the contestants to go back to the green room to the serial number cue music.